Hi, I am Bala Santosh of EC department. This subject is on engineering physics semester 1. This case study is about semiconductor laser. Before knowing about semiconductor laser, let us know about what is laser. Laser is an acronym for light amplification by stimulated emission of radiation. In laser, the intensity of the light is amplified by a process called stimulated emission. Lasers are more powerful radiation than ordinary light radiation. Laser has frequency of 10 power 14 Hz to 10 to the power 15 Hz. Due to remarkable properties of laser, it finds major application in various fields such as medicine, engineering, fiber optic telecommunication, industries, etc. Characteristics of laser. These are the characteristics distinguish a laser beam from an ordinary light. They are monochromatic, coherent, unidirectional, and highly intensive. Laser light is highly powerful and is capable of propagating over long distance and is not easily absorbed by water. Types of laser. There are various types of laser includes solid state laser, example ruby laser, then dye laser, example rhodamine dye laser, liquid laser, SCO-Cl2 laser, then semiconductor laser, gallium aluminum arsenide laser, then gas laser, example helium neon laser. Semiconductor laser. It has two types. One is homojunction semiconductor diode laser. Another is heterojunction semiconductor diode laser. From the name itself, we can differentiate that in homojunction we have only one junction that is made from two materials. In heterojunction, it has multiple layers and it has multiple junctions. Homojunction semiconductor diode laser. A simple diode laser which makes use of the same semiconductor material on both the side of a junction is known as homojunction diode laser and will have only homojunction diode. One PN junction GaAs diode with germanium act as P-type and GaAs diode adopted with tellurium act as N-type semiconductor. Principle. When a PN junction of a gallium arsenide semiconductor is forward biased, holes are injected from P region to N region and electrons from N region to P region. The electrons and holes recombine at a junction and release energy in the form of photon. This photon in turn may induce another electron to undergo stimulated emission for the generation of a coherent photon. Its construction is very simple. It has a metal contact, power supply, and two polished surface of a semiconductor layer of gallium arsenide. Characteristic. These are the characteristics of the homojunction semiconductor laser. It has an active medium as a PN junction and its active center is recombination of electrons and holes. Pumping method is a direct conversion. Optical resonator is polished end phase of PN junction. Nature of the output. It may output as a pulsed or continuous wave. Output wavelength has a range between 8400 Armstrong to 8600 Armstrong. Output power is 1 milliwatt. Band gap is 1.44 electron volt. Advantage. It is easy to manufacture and cost is low. Disadvantage. Low power output beam has large divergence. They have high threshold current density. Applications. It is mostly used in fiber optic communication. It is used in laser printer and writing and reading CD. It is used as a painkiller. Heterojunction semiconductor diode laser. A diode laser which makes use of different semiconductor material on two sides of a junction is known as heterojunction diode laser and will have more than one PN junction. Principle. Heterojunction laser is formed between gallium arsenide and gallium aluminum arsenide. In active region, recombination of holes and electron occurs. Due to this, the photons are emitted and will stimulate further recombination, which results in emission of coherent and intense laser beam. Its construction is hard that because we have a multiple layers of semiconductor with different types of doping, so its manufacturing of different types of layer is difficult. Characteristic: its type is semiconductor laser. Active medium act as a p-n junction. Recombination of electron hole is the active center. Direct conversion is a pumping method. Optical resonator is polished in phase of p-n junction. It produces a continuous wave with a wavelength of 8000 Armstrong and has output power 10 milliwatt. Bandwidth is 1.55 electron volt. Advantage: high output power. It produces continuous wave output. It has high directionality and high coherence. These diodes are highly stable and have longer life. Disadvantage: cost is higher, difficult to manufacture different layers. Applications: it is used in optical communication. It is widely used in computers, especially on CD-ROMs. Thank you.